Good morning Guernsey, it's another beautiful day in paradise here, and today we're going to be taking you guys around our favourite places to eat on the island.
Yeah, we're kicking off the day with a paddle in Havelet Bay. We're going to paddle out to the castle and just around the bay.
So let's get going. Harder Gemma, I like my paddleboards hard.
Hard.
Tell you what man, you never need to worry about doing a warm-up before you go out paddleboarding, because by the time the board's full I'm absolutely exhausted. Come on.
So the paddleboard that we use is bluefin. It's amazing, it's inflatable, it folds up into a bag. We can put it on our back and then carry it to wherever we want to go to paddle. It also actually transforms into a kayak if you want to go on a little sitting adventure.
Which I think I'm better at, to be honest.
And the paddle also is adjustable, so you can adjust it to your height, which is what I'm trying to do now. And if you want to get one for yourself, you can actually read more about the bluefin paddleboard on our website, or you can just have a look down at the link below in the description box. And we're off.
It's actually really nice. I mean, it's not that sunny today. I thought it was going to be cold, but
no, it's
honest,
pleasant.
the water's only getting warmer in Guernsey, so it's good. Need to work on my balance.
I know.
Out of practice. Here we come, Castle Cornet. So yeah, today we're going to be going around some of our favourite restaurants, some of which we've not even been to before yet, and we're doing it in celebration of Guernsey coming out of lockdown. Now obviously with the world situation that's going on, it's really quite sad about how many places are starting to go out of business and stuff, so we're trying to do our best to support the local economy here in Guernsey, and we're trying to eat out as much as we can. And so Gemma and I agreed we're willing to take the fight to the front lines and eat chocolate cake in order to support the economy, and we highlight, if you're in the same position as us, we recommend that you do the same.
Yeah, so in Guernsey we have now had no active cases of coronavirus for I think over 2 months now, so there's no such thing as social distancing. We just respect each other's personal space. We don't have to wear masks. We feel incredibly lucky to be in the Channel Islands on Guernsey. Like, we are very, very lucky to be here.
Yep.
So we're looking forward to going out, tasting some good foods.
And we're going to bring you guys along with us for the ride. Let's go get some breakfast. Alright, so in case you guys didn't actually notice, we weren't feeling the freshest I've ever felt this morning.
I can't get it to like...
That's fine, just do it there, but like just hold it so that you can see both.
But it keeps dropping down.
Hold over to the side of it. We had a bit too much of the old giggle juice last night, and it was because we were celebrating a massive milestone for YouTube. We hit 500 subscribers last night, and we cannot thank each and every one of you guys enough. For everyone that's already subscribed, shout out to you, you're amazing. Everyone that's not, don't worry, you can still redeem yourself. Hit that subscribe button down below and make sure you don't miss out on any future videos.
I don't know what you mean.
We are now heading down into St Peter Port. We've got one breakfast spot we scoped out yesterday, and it looked absolutely delicious. There's a whole big fair going on yesterday. We're hoping that happens again today, and I am very, very excited for some breakfast, because that's exactly the hangover cure that I think I need.
So post-lockdown, they've actually started closing the seafront every Sunday, and that's to allow people to maintain some more social distancing, but it's also really nice because there's just a lot more space, there's less traffic, and yeah, it's really nice to just get all the tables out on a nice day and sit outside and have a drink. So
it looks like the markets are actually still on today. We're going to have a quick wander around them. Hopefully the rain stays off, but first let's go and get some food because I am absolutely starving. And the place we're going to go to is just inside the big town hall bit behind you. And I think I'm going to get some eggs on toast. I reckon I'll get a latte with some oat milk. That's quite good. Oh, you're destroying the clipboards.
I reckon I'm going to get a anti-berry juice.
What's that? To rid the toxins of last night?
Yeah. Apple, spinach and berries. Does it have barbecue tofu?
Yeah, grand. Barbecue tofu bao, sorry.
Yes.
Yeah?
Where's that from? Like bao?
It's a Japanese.
Japanese.
Yours is made from plants.
Alright, so we got it. It says made from plants. That's not a plastic cup, which is a big relief. That's good. Paper straw.
Not so good on the plastic.
That's alright. How is it?
What can we do?
Is it better than my smoothies?
On par.
That's
good.
What's your answer?
This is more of a juice, I'd say.
Yeah, that's
it's not like a smoothie.
Is it sweet or what?
Yeah, got a taste.
Yeah, alright. that's good. Okay, I'll give them that. That's better than my smoothies. I've got my oat milk latte. I've turned into a proper artisan coffee fiend. Oat milk latte, please. Only the best. Oh, we've got a ringer. Do you want to go and get it, or shall I?
Oh, you're going to need to pull that off.
That looks amazing. Oh wow. Like bamboo cutlery as well. I really like places like this.
So
And it's
I've
like
got,
cardboard kind of packages as well. Little to no plastic.
I've got a barbecue tofu bao. I've never had that before. It's a Japanese dish apparently. So it looks good. It smells amazing.
What is this? Is like a kind of puff pastry?
Yeah, I don't know what it is.
It's like a kind of undercooked bread. It almost looks like a pastry kind of thing. And I got the eggs Florentine. Now I'm an absolute sucker for eggs Florentine. Wherever I go, I've always got to have the hollandaise sauce because it's pretty much my lifeblood. So I'm very excited about this. So what do we think of your first Japanese dish?
That's good. Really, really good.
How's the tofu cooked?
I think it's like fried and then it's like covered in a barbecue sauce.
Yeah, marinated.
This is sort of like a bread, but like you said, undercooked.
Yeah, more doughy. It does look very, very good. Alright, so it's not the tidiest meal because the sauce is dripping all over the place already, but it looks very, very good. And I'm going to get some of barbecue sauce in it. That's so good. Look how like fluffy the bao is. It's like you think it's, like looking at it you think it'd be quite stodgy, but like it's like proper fluffy and light, so it's not as heavy as you think it would be. And the barbecue sauce is nice, yeah. Need to wait for the blender to stop. Gemma can't wait, she's already getting stuck into it. We're not ones for this food vlogging, we need to be patient to eat right. So my bagel's passed the egg test. It's just cooked but still slightly undercooked, which is like perfect. So I'm very excited to try this hollandaise sauce as well. So I'm going to cut it, a bit of sauce. Always just love how much flavour the spinach adds to it. Like wilted spinach is just such a nice thing to put on your bagel. I'll chop you off a bit to try. Because your mouth's watering over there, I can see it. Remember the camera's not waterproof, so don't salivate too much while you're filming as well, right? No. How good is that? It's a perfectly poached egg. It's delicious, man. I'm very excited to finish this off, and we'll let you know how it is after. Oh man, so we made quick work of that. And now I am absolutely stuffed. We had planned on going somewhere to get something sweet after this. We've read about this place that does amazing hot chocolates online, but I think we're going to need to go a little wander around the markets around here and try and work a bit of an appetite before I can stomach anything like that. So let's go and check out the markets.
Next time we need to get more mixed herbs and stuff. We just get it here.
Yeah, we should just bring the jar down and top it up. It's really good. I've got like a whole selection of different herbs and stuff.
Okay, so what you do here is you pick a jar. Now this can either be one of the jars that you can buy in the shop, or you can also recycle your jars here and then just fill it up and you weigh it and then you pay for whatever it is per gram. It's really clever. We've done it a few times before, but I think now we need to start making use of it more because it is really, really good.
Yeah, so they've got like literally everything. They've got all the kind of quinoas and pastas and nuts and berries, and then down here they've even got like a pick and mix with sweets. You've got plant-based sweets, yogurt raisins, covered
white chocolate
covered strawberries. That's amazing. So much choice. And then over there you've even got some handmade orange juice and some coffee as well. So this one here is like the first time I've seen it in the UK. We saw one of these in Amsterdam where you make your own orange juice, but this here is the first one I've ever seen. You want to talk about that?
Yeah. So I don't know how you do it, I haven't done it before, but this is how you make your own peanut butter.
just pick up a jar and you can get fresh peanut butter.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
I guess you just press start and
Yeah.
it blends it.
Simple.
Yeah. Just like that. Okay, so now we're at Gerber Hotel where we have read about the most amazing unicorn hot chocolates and unicorn cakes, so we're here to try it. So this is the unicorn hot chocolate. It's made with I think a white chocolate syrup, and it's also got some colourings in there, cream, sprinkles, glitter, a little cone for the unicorn, what's the word I'm looking for?
Horn.
Horn. It's really, really pretty. I kind of almost don't want to touch it. And this is the cake. Multi-layered, multicoloured glitter, and I've also got some ice cream.
Decadence.
Looks so good.
What do you think of it?
It's hot. Oh.
I know, drinking hot things through a straw.
I know.
You would look at that and think
isn't
it's just
it?
like a milkshake, like cold. No, that's the thing. It's actually really hot, really, really sweet.
I do love white chocolate.
You need
hot
to mix
chocolate.
in all this stuff, I think, and cool it down. But yeah, you're in your element because you love white chocolate. You impressed?
Yeah. I love it.
Kind of expensive. How much was it?
I think this was $4.50, which is
It's a lot for a hot chocolate.
but it's good to try it.
Fancy, fancy. And this cake here, oh, try this now.
It's a bit interesting because I don't like cheesecake.
See what I mean about the kind of like cheesy flavour almost? It's more the aftertaste. But it's like sweet. It's possibly one of the strangest cakes I've ever eaten.
I can't say I taste cheese.
No.
No.
Maybe I'm not thinking of cheese. Cheese is the stuff you get in an ice cream cone, isn't it?
Actually, it's kind of just like a cream or
Yeah.
ice cream.
Yeah, that's why it's so liquidy. It is the sweetest thing, as you can probably tell by the colours of it, is like the sweetest thing in the world though. So if you're into your sweets and decadence, then Gerber Hotel is the place to come. Alright, so we're come to a place we've been to one time before, and it's got really, really good vibes, good music and delicious food. It's a place called Buho, just at the top of the Val de Terres. And it serves delicious Mexican food. Last time I got the veggie burrito and it was absolutely life-changing. So I'm very excited to go in here and get some more of that.
So we're driving and we're working tomorrow. We've ordered mocktail mojitos. I wouldn't even know the difference, to be honest. They taste amazing. And here we're sharing nachos to start. How good does that look?
That looks
I think I'm gonna
absolutely
be-
incredible, man.
I think I'm going to be stuffed before I even
They
get
even
my
brought
meal.
you some peppers. So you can start off with that, get some veg in you.
No. If you haven't seen our Singapore food vlog, then refer to that to know why I'm not going to eat it.
Yeah.
I actually can't breathe.
It's actually like a really interesting nachos. Oh god, that jalapeno hit different. Right, because it's got pomegranate seeds in it as well. And it's like really fresh salsa, so it's nice.
It's really, really, really good. Actually, I think they could be the best nachos I've ever had.
Oh, hold on a second. I make nachos as well, guys, and she's insulting me saying that these are better than mine. Is that right?
Well, you need to up your game.
Best nachos ever, we'll see about that.
These are really good.
Alright, this is what we got the last time as well, and it is absolutely delicious. I cannot wait to eat this again. What is it?
We've got, let me tell you, it's from the street food part of the menu, so it's the burrito madness. We've got, so it's tortilla, refried beans, cheese, sour cream. We've filled it with sweet potato and feta, chipotle sauce, and
it comes served like this, like cut in half. You know, if you're a weirdo, you could always spoon that out and eat it like those are bowls, but I don't know why you would do that. Let's get salad, and I've also got a side of chickpeas and some spinach.
We got that before.
Delicious last time as well.
Yeah.
And I cannot wait to get stuck into this. I know, how do you even begin with this? Yours is kind of falling apart already.
I know. Shall I?
Maybe we better to pick up and eat it. Do a dipperoo. Double dip. Is that as good as you remember?
Oh my goodness, that's amazing.
What's the feta like in it? Can you taste it much?
No.
It's very filling. That's why I love a burrito, it's just hearty.
That's really good.
It's like toasted, the wrap as well, which is really nice. It's a pure, oh, I can smell it, it's like a kind of burnt, yeah, and burnt flavour to it, but it's nice. Oh my god, just so much flavour.
It's very like soft as well, isn't it?
So much flavour, it's delicious, man, delicious. If you're not vegetarian like us, they also do like like beef and chicken and pork and stuff like that in the wraps as well. And oh, it's really good here. I love the atmosphere. It's the music's amazing, and it's just a really cool place to come and have your dinner. There's a balcony. It's a little bit cold tonight, but there's a balcony that would be like stunning sea views, because you're looking over the Jerbourg cliffs kind of out towards that direction. And if you come later at night, like just like golden hour kind of sunset, it'd be really cool to come here and have a wee cocktail and watch the sun go down as well.
I think this is the most filling thing I've ever eaten.
You're struggling?
I'm struggling.
I am absolutely stuffed. I always think like, oh yeah, you can get churros for a dessert. I've managed to somehow fit that in my belly. Eyes are always bigger than my belly, man.
I've had nachos.
And nachos. Oh my goodness. I think a little sunset is on the cards to let us recover from it.
I think so, we'll see you there. So what a way to end the day. This vlog's been a little bit different from our usual vlogs, but we really hope that you enjoyed it. Yeah, if you liked this video guys, make sure you hit that like button down below. If you want to see more of our stuff, more travel vlogs and more of Guernsey, hit that subscribe button. We've had to try something a little bit different. We're just practicing and seeing what other kind of videos we can make, and we're so excited to share more of beautiful Guernsey with you guys, and we will see you again in the next one.